Hey, what up, good people? I am MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, I thank you so much for stopping through. I hope you'll find this content enjoyable and will actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. All right, y'all, so today we have another human hair slay, and yes, this is another Amazon unit. Y'all know I be feeling my little Amazon units. Like, I be trying to give y'all the goods from Amazon because Amazon is a whole winner, honey. So this is a 13x4 body wave HD transparent lace frontal wig. I do have it in the color 99J, also known as Burgundy. She does come, or I have her in 22 inches with 180% density. She also claims to come pre-plucked with baby hairs and also pre-bleached. So let's go ahead and dive right on into the unboxing, the styling, and the installing of this gorgeous wig.
Do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie.
Alright, y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on this gorgeous 99J wig. Y'all already know, if you watch me for a while, this is one of my favorite colors right here. Like, oh God, it's like heaven. It's heaven for me. So I recently reviewed a 99J and it wasn't really giving me 99J vibes because it was a little more on the Kool-Aid red side than the deep wine red side like this one. This is what I'm talking about with 99J, or even darker to be honest. But that other one, that wasn't really 99J to me. So, you know, people be saying, or these companies be saying 99J when it's really not. Just be careful, okay? But this is vibes right here. I'm loving this color. I'm loving this style. Now, this wig did come in the body wave style. I decided to throw some wand curls up in here. I want to be, you know, have it a little different. And I'm loving the outcome, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. It also claims to be transparent lace, and I'm going to give it that today because, honey, I feel like I am blended today. Like, we are blended so well. I am quite pleased with this lace, honey. Yes, we are blended. So far, so good, y'all. I really, really love this unit. Like, the length of 22 inches. I'm just getting all my little life with all this hair. And the fact that it's 180% density. It is full, y'all. It is quite full. I can make it bigger if I want. Spray some hairspray. Like, you can do what you, look at this. You can do what you want to this hair because it is full, y'all. Make it do what you want it to do. I can volumize this baby right here. Just fluff it on up. I can spray some hairspray. I'm not, but that's how you get it volumized right there. Just keep playing with it. Keep playing with it. Spray your little hairspray as you're playing with it so that it stays voluminous and big and full. And there you go, sis. Life. So the texture of this hair is definitely giving me like a little light Silky slash like Yaki. It's a little combination of both. Now, it claims to come pre-plucked. It was decent, y'all. It was like, okay. So for my lazy wig wearers, if you're not into plucking, you probably could take it out the package and wear it as is. I just ain't about that life. I'm a little extra. I had to plug it some more, so that's what I did. I'm glad I didn't have to bleach no knots, though. I was super happy about that. So I only washed it and plucked the hairline off camera. Now with this unit, we do got a little minimal shedding. Yeah, I thought I had gotten rid of it all, or gotten rid of most of it when I blow dried it, but nah, honey, we still got a couple strands coming out here and there. Nothing major, but it's something happening with that shedding life, honey. Yeah, Also with the tangling, like I glide for the most part, but every once in a while I'll get stuck up in here. Every blue moon I'll get stuck. So nothing massive again, but I just want you to be aware, because y'all know I'm a cup of honest tea. I'm gonna give you all the deets, honey. Now, I only experienced one con with this bad boy, y'all, and that is this cap, honey. I barely made it, y'all. I have a small to medium sized head, and I barely made it. I was like pulling this joint forward, like, and this is as far as I can get it. Normally my legs lay about right here. I got about that much forehead out, but honey, I was pulling. Yeah, if you got a bigger head, sis, I'm not so sure you are going to struggle. Like, I wish it was bigger head friendly, but this is what we got. I was struggling, y'all. I was struggling. All right, y'all. So let's get into the price. We got a little range with this one, y'all. A wide range at that. So this wig does come in 18 inches, and it goes all the way up to 36 inches, honey. Like, inches for days. And the price ranges from $79.99 all the way up to $299.99, y'all, for that 36 inches. Ooh, that's a lot of inches. Now, for my specific specs at 22 inches, this unit is a whopping $109.99. I think that's super affordable for the length, for the density, for the transparent lace, for the, like, hairline. Like, it's so worth it. Super worth it. So, that's the price. Shop within your means. Of course, as always, I will link all of the information down in the description box below. So feel free to check it out if you're interested. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much all I have for you beautiful people. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I appreciate it as always. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little cranberry emoji right here down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye,
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep.